Google Maps is getting dark mode. I didn't even realize it didn't have dark mode in Google Maps. I thought it did, right? Or, oh, you're wondering right now too.
The maps turn dark when you're driving in the dark, right? But not
I don't
the
know.
UI.
I don't know. Does it?
I felt like
Dark mode for
like
Google
we
Maps is
should know this.
almost ready for prime time.
Huh.
Apparently, they've been working on it for more than a year. And Google has been teasing that they're working on a dark theme for Maps as well for over a year. And then this developer goes in there, he finds dark mode stuff inside the code. You know how they do this? They do teardowns of apps.
They sift through the code.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
We've talked about it before. It's like a teardown of a device, but you tear down the app, Will, and you see what's really going on in there. So if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the option becomes available for a dark theme to the Maps application. And if you scroll down a little further, you get a little preview of what that might look like. Now, the map itself in this case is not dark mode, but the other elements are. Presumably, when this thing actually gets going fully, the dark mode would also apply to the map portion. I'm with you. I don't know. I feel like I've seen that picture from the top. I feel like I've seen dark maps previously. I think Android Auto flips the map to dark. Am I crazy right now?
The maps definitely turn dark.
The maps turn dark.
But the UI elements, like the buttons and stuff, I don't remember.
They stay light?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is a place where dark mode would be greatly appreciated, not just in the map itself, but also in the UI, because when you're driving, Will, you've experienced this before, it's late at night, there's not a lot of ambient light, and having the bright light in the car can be the same way your dash changes color or goes more dim, so you know how it goes with the pupils.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want it's going big and then small, and it's very distracting, and there's glare that can be introduced. And I remember it would be like, as a kid, you're driving with your parents or something, and you're like, put the light on. Like, I can't put the light on. I can't see anything.
Yeah. The glare. I guess with dark mode too, it's good on battery, you know?
Oh, save on battery.
Yeah.
Well done. All right. So dark
when you're on
mode
the road.
for all the things, please, including Google Maps in the future.